Alright, today this is going to be a quick tutorial. It is simply how to make your hi-hats go burr. I'll show you this first with the effects and then I'll turn it off. I'll play it in context. Alright, it's really simple. All you need to do is get your hi-hat in the mixer, and you're going to throw Vocodex on there, turn all this stuff off, set it to 1, bring the band somewhere down here, and then you can bring this down. I think it gives it that lo-fi feel, just feels like it hits harder. But one thing I did, so I think that it took away a little bit too much of the highs. So I took that hat, duplicated it, and I played it dry, and so with them together, it sounds better than if it's just this one. You can really see the difference there. It just makes it slap hard.